Everyone, this is Sanjeev from Jayavitri Academy. Today I am going to explain class 11 subject biology, chapter 3rd plant kingdom. Today's topic reproduction in bryophytes. In previous class I have discussed what are bryophytes, and in this lecture I am going to explain reproduction in bryophytes, simply explanation, and the deeply explanation we will learn, and I will explain when the bryophytes categorize in liverworts and mosses. In reproduction, bryophytes they show alternation and generation between sporophytic and gametophytic. There is a alternation and generation occur between sporophytic and gametophytic. Sporophytic body generally attached to the gametophyte for the nutrition. They do not help sexual reproduction. Gametophyte mainly help in sexual reproduction. Gametophyte produces gametes, sex organ. The sex organ of gametophytes are multicellular. Gametophyte bear antheridia, that is male sex organ, and archegonia, that is female sex organ. Antheria produces antherozoid, and archegonia, that is female sex organ, produce eggs. When antheridia produces antherozoid, fuse with archegonia produces eggs, they form a zygote. Zygote produces multicellular body known as sporophyte, that is diploid, 2n, diploid in nature. Gametophyte produce gametes, that is n and n, male and female. When they fuse they form zygote, that is 2n condition. Zygote is multicellular and produce sporophyte. When some cells of sporophytes undergo reduction division, also known as meiosis, they produce haploid spores, and these haploid spores further produce gametophyte. Sporophyte is not free living. They are generally attached to the greeny gametophyte for their survival and for their nutrition of sporophyte. In this topic I explained reproduction in bryophytes, how reproduction occur in bryophytes simply, and next lecture I will cover classification of bryophytes, in which we classified bryophytes in two categories, liverwort and mosses. Thank you everyone.